Hello everyone, I've arrived at the GR Garage, Master 1 Tomei-Kawasaki, this location. So this is actually just right off of the Tomei highway, so it's pretty convenient. So let's take a look around. Right off the bat, I see a lot of steering wheels for sale here. See if let's see if there's anything for the GR86. I don't think I see any yet, but I'm going to ask them. Because I find the GR86, the steering wheel is too thin. It feels weird. GR Garage. So this is their showroom. Okay, that's interesting. Here's a full engine on an engine mount. Wow. I like how they have these stuff showcased here. Oh yeah. So unless you come to a showroom like this or you go to a tuning shop that does engine, you rarely see the entire engine sitting out. Okay, see what they have. They got racing suits from Alpine Stars. I guess these are in collaboration with a lot of brands here. Arai helmets. Forgot which one I got. Hands device. These look like IKEA shelves, if I'm not mistaken. Arai helmets. And then they got Sparkle also. So on this section, they have a lot of racewear. Helmets, suits, gloves, etc. What's in there? Okay, inside they have a racing simulator. Holy shit. The screens on this is huge. Very interesting. And then on this wall, we have the racing development, TRD. Excuse me. Excuse me, it's a little cold out there today with the rain and all. So what are these? LSDs. So this one's all cut up, I guess, to showcase how it works. I've actually got a broken R35 LSD at home that I can take apart to see how it works and how it's broken. Oh yeah. Clutch. ATS. Okay. SART. So you can get a SART LSD racing type for 168,000 yen. That translates to about 1,500 Canadian dollars, or maybe about 1,100 US dollars. AP Racing Big Brick Kit. Endless rotors. This one's actually, I have it on 2 of my cars right now. There will be 3 a bit later after I'm done with the BNR 32. And then here you have Project Mu. Yeah, I find the Project Mu pads are a bit more noisy from cars that I've driven. You can really hear that screeching. Bramble Classic. These are with the slots. These are Bramble Racing. Look at this. Even's got the Bramble logo etched onto the disc itself. So these are what? Bramble Sport TY3 for the GR86. What else we got here? Bilstein. So these are all suspension and braking components. And then they got the carbon braces. Onto this side. These are car care products, I would imagine. Oh no, these are oil. Brake fluids. RF 650, the endless. I'm running those on my GR86 right now. Gear oil, so all sorts of oil that they have. On this side, lights. Look at this, even zip ties are Greddies. Interesting. I think these are, what are these? These are wraps. Those are these like the heat resistance wraps, maybe. TRD stickers. Okay, let's move on to the other side. What is this? EX Plus. These are the car care products. More oil on this side and filters. See, what still really gets me now is that Pia mixed oil filter. Like I saw this the other day, I'm like, wow, I thought they only make lights. Sard filters. And then there are these ones that I've never heard of before. Maybe others have. They're called Drive Joy. I don't know, have you heard of Drive Joy oil filter before? Let me know what you think. Mats. Steering hand cover. I think that would make the steering wheel thicker, but I don't know if I want it to be done like that though. GR tires. What are these? Oh, okay, they got Maxarito products here. Oh, these are the Maxarito Total Controllers. Oh, so that's how they look like. 4 different cars too. There's one for GR86 in the back. But they have for GR Yaris, high Aces, etc. High spark ignition coil for GR Supra at about 153,000 yen. Oh, and here are the Maxarito batteries. The very small, lightweight batteries. Man, they are small. They're basically just... my palm expands wider than this. More accessories. And then here we have more parts. Greddy oil cooler. Greddy turbo. Okay. So this is the T518Z. The earrings. These guys are expensive though. I don't know. Any one of you guys using this and compare the Greddy earrings to HKS or other brands? Let me know. Greddy pulleys, timing belt and belts. So this is like the Greddy corner almost. Fujitsubo exhaust. So I see a lot more Fujitsubo in Japan than in North America. Maybe it's just me, but I haven't seen anyone or heard people talking about this brand until I come more to Japan and look at cars that are actually sporting them. Whew. How did I miss this? This is a miniature. What is it? It's a GR Supra. It's miniature, but it's not that miniature. This is like 3-to-1, 1-to-3. This thing's actually pretty big. Yeah, it's like 5 foot wide. Nice. It's got all the details, exhaust on the side. Yeah, this is definitely the GR Supra then. Very nice. BBS wheels on display. I guess this is the BBS corner. And here there are some information about the Gazoo Racing and GR86 BRZ Cup. As well as the racers. Man. Okay. And look at what we have here. A GR Yaris on display. Okay, so this one's all done up with the slotted rotors, the GR brake calipers. Oh, sorry, I mean GR Corolla. It's not GR Yaris. The GR Yaris is over there. My bad, the GR Corolla. Yeah, I don't see GR Corollas a lot here in Japan. I see way more GR Yaris. As the GR Yaris. Wait, they call this GRMN. So is this not a Yaris then? Man, am I confusing myself? It's a GRMN. But it looks like a Yaris. Can't see inside. Carbon fiber hood. Oh yeah. Look at the details on the light here. Okay, yeah, this GR Yaris. Beautiful car with a beautifully done body kit and all. And then you have a selection of Recaro seats over here. Man, every time I see Recaro seats, I think they're super cheap, man. 139,000 yen. That's like less than not even 1,200 Canadian dollars. And let's take a look at this. And I mean, this is at GR Garage. 154,000 yen. It's not even 1,400 bucks. You can get this RSS Recaro. The red one's a bit more expensive, but not that much more. It's 165,000 yen. Man. I'm gonna have to ship some of these to Canada for myself and others that are interested. Let me know if you're interested. I might just have to go organize a container to ship a bunch of these over. And let's see outside. So outside they have a Corolla, GR Corolla, and a GR86. So I don't think these are specially done in any way. We'll talk about this guy in a bit. Yeah, it's a stock exhaust. So these are in stock form, it looks like. How did they get them out there? It's a question I like to ask, because this is on second floor. And then you have this little Cartman over here. Wow. Looking very chill. Alright guys, I think this is it. Let me know what you think about this GR Garage. I guess for anyone that owns a GR86, GR Corolla, you might want to come check this place out. Alright, until next time, I'm out. Cheers. Alright everyone, and this is how the GR garage looks like on the first floor. It's their actual garage where they work on customer cars. Oops. Almost tripped over there. Alright, I just checked out the second floor. Now I'm out. Oh yeah, they got like a whole showcase of cars here too. Maybe these are customer cars. They are just all stacked up. Alright, until next time.